Do you want to look tough? Do you want cowboys to tremble in their boots when they see you? Do you want old white men to take you seriously? All you need to shave a slit in your eyebrow is an eyebrow pencil, sticky tape, a shaver, and maybe scissors and/or tweezers. Step 1. If you have fair eyebrows like me, you want to draw them on so you can see where you want the slit to be. Then use the eyebrow pencil to draw a vertical line where you want the slit. Double check that it's in the right place for your face. Step 2. Grab the sticky tape and put a piece of tape vertically on either side of the line you've just drawn to represent the slit. You want to leave a small gap between the two pieces of tape, just a couple of millimeters wide. Make sure the tape is as stuck to your face as it can be, and then step 3, we shave the slit. Grab your shaver and start shaving in between the two pieces of tape. I like to work from the inside out, and then maybe outside in after you've gone over it a few times. It might seem like nothing's happening, but just keep at it for about a minute, and then all of a sudden you realise there's a gap in your eyebrow. Once you can see a bit of a gap, take off the tape, maybe use some makeup remover to remove any eyebrow pencil from the area, and inspect what you've done. If you're anything like me, you've probably mostly got a slit. This is when you grab the scissors or tweezers for step 4 and neaten up the slit. Thank you so much for watching this quick little eyebrow slit tutorial. For Upkeep, you can continue plucking in the gap and trimming the eyebrow to make sure the slit stays there as long as you want it, or you can let it grow back over a couple of weeks. The best thing is, if you hate it, you can just fill it in with eyebrow pencil and nobody will notice it's there, but I'm sure you won't have to.